the ground shake.
Guys, I've come up with a new conspiracy theory.
Not again with these stupid conspiracy theories where you just string things together that don't even make sense.
What's a conspiracy?
I'm glad you asked that. What do you guys see here?
A periodic table of elements?
No, that's wrong. This is actually a puzzle to unlocking the key of the conspiracy.
How?
Don't you get it? This puzzle is only made up of 4 elements. Iodine, lutetium, sodium, and titanium. So what does that spell here?
Illuminati?
Illuminati.
Wrong. It's Illuminati.
But there's an element missing, which is Mi. It's not in the
Exactly.
periodic table of elements.
That's why the Illuminati were clever, so they covered it up just to cover their tracks. Mi is actually Unumbium.
So I don't really see the resemblance to Mi and Unubium.
Don't you get it? It's right in front of our faces. If we add up all the neutrons of these 4 elements, it comes up to 121. Do you see the resemblance?
No, I don't see the resemblance at all.
Okay, let me explain it to you. If Unumbium has a proton number of 112,
We don't see it. What is it?
if we add up all 4 digits of those 2 numbers, they both add up to 4. What else has 4 in it?
I don't know.
The Illuminati triangle. 3 lines across for the triangle and an eye in the middle.
That still doesn't make any sense.
No, but see, it does. Because we have with number 4, the same amount of elements in the Illuminati triangle and the same amount of elements we started with. Iodine, lutetium, sodium, and titanium. Do you see it now? Do you see the resemblance now?
No.
Okay, I'll explain it to you again. The number 4, this is the one we started with. The same amount of elements we had from the beginning. Iodine, sodium, lutetium, and titanium. It's also the amount of elements in the Illuminati triangle, the 3 lines and the 1 eye, but that. And it's also the number that when we add up all the digits of the neutron numbers. So the key is 4.
Okay, well it still doesn't explain it.
Exactly. That's why we go back in time, back to when the Illuminati weren't as clever. We see that if we go back in time to this book, we find that their periodic table has the 112th element, nowadays Unumbium, blank.
That still doesn't explain why it's an element.
Exactly. That's why we go back in time, back to when the Illuminati weren't as clever, back to the time when on the periodic table the 112th element was blank.
But you're making all of these assumptions based on no research whatsoever.
Precisely. That's what I thought at first, until this book that was lying in front of us the whole time. On the periodic table, I flipped the page. Do you know what I saw? Triangle. So to conclude, the maker of this book is Illuminati.
You wasted our time again on all these stupid conspiracy theories.
To conclude, I'm Liam the H-Man again.
I'm a scapegoat.
And I'm Cloudanator.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, even though most of it didn't make sense, but that doesn't really matter, it's YouTube.
So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe and share. And we'll see you in the next one.